How to create a smart discount pop-up to Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your sales on Shopify. First of all, open up shopify.com in your web browser. Here, click on the Shopify App Store button. Here, search pop-up in the App Store, then tap to open up its app. Now click to install the app. Once the app is ready for conversion, click on Install App from the top right corner. After successfully adding the app in Shopify, click to see templates from its dashboard. Scroll down and see there are several options in templates, so click on any template you want to use. To create a pop-up for discount, you can change its background color, text color to whatever you want. Then scroll down and you can adjust pop-up padding, overlay opacity from the background image. After that, click on Content, where you can change text or this block like, "We've got a 15% discount just for you." Whatever you write in here will show up on your pop-up block. You can also add email, name, phone in your form. And you can also add coupons. Then go into Settings, where you can set everything according to your needs. Just like these features, check out the remaining features, their functions, and everything else. Tap to view your store, where you can see your campaign pop up. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.